Let's begin with the working of this web application. It is a centralized electronic health record system designed to offer various solutions to revolutionize healthcare and solve modern-day healthcare problems. This web application is developed in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, Bootstrap, Express, Node.js, and MySQL. The idea behind it is to create a health card that keeps track of your day-to-day health history, and you can use it at clinics, pharmacy, and laboratories to have an accurate diagnosis and well-managed treatment. From the user side, the process is simple, like applying for a PAN card. You can apply for HealthCard by filling an online form and making an online payment. Then, after the successful verification process, you can receive your HealthCard at your doorsteps. Let's begin and apply. You have to fill your personal and payment details and then submit. Once your details are verified, you will receive a health card like this, which is your health ID and a QR code used for scanning it at various healthcare providers. As a user, you can also access the patient module by logging in. The patient module has your personal and emergency details, which you can edit as per your wish. Also, you can add various health details manually, like your old prescriptions, lab tests, allergies, vaccination details, blood pressure, etc. The health history shows the compilation of all your health information on a single page. Let's begin with the doctor's module. To be a doctor, you have to register by selecting your role and filling your basic details. The registration process for pharmacy as well as lab is also same. Then you can create your profile and add all your information, like your registration number, clinic information, and other details. So, you can be verified and use this system as a doctor. After successful registration, you can just log in and wait for your patients. When a patient provides the health card, it can easily be scanned to view patient's health information, or else you can also manually enter health ID for it. Now, you can view the entire timeline of cases a patient has been up to. At first, a doctor can view the health history of patient so he can understand the allergies, medical procedures, and other health information of a patient. Now, the doctor can create a case, which is compilation of prescription, medicines, and lab reports. The cases in timeline are ordered as the most recent ones on the top. A prescription in case includes various diagnosis details and the medicines. By just clicking save, the case status would be still open, which means diagnosis is pending and it is accessible by all. The view access of case is only provided to the current doctor of the other doctor's cases. You can select close case and save, however you can still reopen your case whenever needed in future. You can also add health details in patient profile, so it will be useful to other doctors in future. Then clear the record, and now you can enter another patient details and view its information. By this way the process goes on. Now let's begin with pharmacy module by logging in with an already registered user. After entering the patient's health ID or scanning the health card, you can view the timeline of its cases. No other patient details are accessible by the pharmacist. He can view the medicines prescribed by the doctor and select the ones he can provide. So by this way, provided and non-provided medicines record can be kept. The non-provided medicines can then be provided by some other pharmacist. Currently that's all in pharmacy module. However, converting this system into a full-fledged EHR in future, we can provide many other functionalities to the pharmacists. Now let's begin with the lab module by logging in with an already registered user. A lab doctor can access the timeline and cases to provide the scanned lab reports. He can also access the health summary to be aware of patients' allergies and procedures before conducting any tests. Also, can add health records which can be used for health summary. Now, when lab reports are entered, a doctor can view it and complete its diagnosis. Now let's explore the admin module of this system. Admin module is used to provide data analytics of the health trends of the entire country. This module is developed using Python, Django framework and Flexmonster API. First of all, let's have a look on the database. This is the case table which has information of all the cases in system. It gives information about the place at which case was created, its date and time, and the diagnosed disease. Currently I have entered nearly 20 records on which we will see the analytics. This is the admin dashboard. Here we can explore the records of the database and analyze it in various formats and charts. So, in fields I will select the case ID to get its total count and filter out other fields. I will use place as a column so I can get total cases in particular place. Then I will add a function count to count the total cases. I can also use other mathematical functions with it too. Now, this will classify all the records according to its place. We can view the result in different forms. We can also drill down to particular place to find its records. Currently it displays cases with all types of disease. But now I will filter it out to just display records with COVID-19. Further filter out status to view only the cases that are active. When the database grows, we can also convert it into warehouse to perform all-up operation and use Elasticsearch too. Many other useful analytics can be generated with combination of fields with this admin module. That's it. Thanks for watching.